Especially for people that are making vertical video, I really think that it's a good idea to have a solid hat. This one is a little too big. There's a drawstring to control the size. I am going to get hat tape to put on the inside to size it down, because I think that's probably going to be the easiest way to make it fit my tiny little head. In the meanwhile, it'll just be a little bit too big. I'm okay with that. Ah! It's so cute. You can wear it a little bit more forward if you want to show off like the emblem on top. You can wear it a little bit further back. I think this is great if you're going to be doing vertical video, so you can show off all the things around your face. Having a decorated hat is just a really good way to show people who know nothing about you, who are just scrolling your video for the first time, a lot of things that you like and are interested in. So that's one of the reasons that I like them. Craftsmanship on this is beautiful. Like, each of the windows is different. So pretty. Oh gosh, it is so pretty. I cannot wait until I can get my hat taped and then it'll fit good, and I'm excited! We don't have a super bright sun today because it is very windy.